darating, kundi narito na.
At nag-ensayo na. Nag-ensayo na. Nagbigay ng Warriors. Aba, silipin nyo na lang ang IG story ni Phil Cayetano. Pero eto muna, si Michelle Strizak, unang puntos na ibigay sa kanyang kubunan.
At you know, I'm sure that both the squads all out. So, ano yun? Mindset ng libero yun.
Samantala, Valdez just tipping it over to the other side, getting the point para sa kanyang kubunan. Dito sa side ng Lady Warriors, si Strizak striking with authority.
11. That's right. Nakita naman natin kung kaano kahaba.
Pablo going to Michelle. Oh, Strizak.
Once again, going cross-court this time. That was dug up well by Gohing.
Cabanos to shout, and I was just mentioning her earlier. Kailangan gumawa ng ingay nitong si Laura Shout. Free ball, mapupunta dito sa Lady Warriors. Back set para kay Nepomuceno. Cross-court attack is good for Kai.
That's right. Talking about sharp attack.
Balik ang bola sa Cool Smashers. Cabanos. Kutika!
Nagalit, Anton.
Tinamaan pa si Coach Romela Bella.
Sabi niya, tama na yan. Hindi pwede.
Strizak finally stops the run.
21.
To the Lady Warrior side. Pangatlong pagkakataon, wala pa rin. Valdez na naman! And she goes down the line.
That's right. Valdez ends that long rally. Nakatatlong palo si Strizak doon. Sexy eh. I'll make sure na mabigay ko sa kanya. But now, sending that long. Ito napakataas. And yun siguro yung kung meron pang ititweak ang friends natin. Sino yan?
And we will get to learn more about her as we go along dito sa PVL. But right now, the Lady Warriors looking very dominant kontra sa Cool Smashers dito sa simula ng ating laban.
Pero ang more importantly,
Yes.
sino si JB?
Oo nga eh. Baka... I actually asked Melissa, who's JB? Sabi niya sa akin, in a serious face
Nakikita ko sa Lady Warriors is mukhang pinag-aralan maigi yung sa pagdating sa depensa. No? Pinag-aralan yung mga atake ng Cool Smashers.
Kaya naman, Panaga, regalo. Di na talaga mapigilan ang atake nitong mga Lady Warriors.
That's right.
Nitong Lady Warriors. Valdez against 3 blockers.
That's right. Eliza Valdez getting it through. Yun yung gusto ni Eliza. No?
Tsaka yung demeanor nila eh.
Yes.
Iba-iba eh. They're different characters.
Ball is in. Kutika scores 18-19.
Cabanos. Valdez had to step on the brakes. Strizak again. And Strizak has taken over here in set number 2. Also kung anong
Pero
klase.
pareho namang open hitter eh. So, okay lang.
So let's see. Oh, because Strizak is doing a lot of damage. Imagine what would happen pag nagsama na si Michelle Strizak at si Crystal Rivers.
Well, kaya rin siguro so dominating in both sets. Set number 1 and 2. Something that she has to do in this third set if they want.
Thank you so much for watching. Anton Rojas together with Mozy Rena, and we have Angelique Manto with us as well as Strizak continues her scoring ways.
Strizak, although she scored 1 from the back row in the second set.
No one there.
And Pablo, just great presence of mind, good peripheral vision. Dito kay Kutika. C to Strizak. Shout was there for the block. And that's what they need from Laura.
That is exactly what they need. Yung depensa pagdating sa third set, medyo nagre-relax talaga yung team. Lagi natin sinasabi yan, pero madalas talaga nangyayari. So it's just the recovery dapat nitong Lady Warriors within this set.
Gohing receiving this serve. mula kay Galanza. Quick attack para kay De Leon.
Quick
Yan ang
attack.
gusto ni Coach Roman,
14,
kaya
16.
binunod niya si Jessie De Leon. Fresh legs ang kailangan niya in this third set. Napapansin niya. Kasi
Has been a key factor para sa Cool Smashers.
Shout
Right on
with a
cue.
gentle tip.
She's having her
22
best set
to
of the match,
19.
Mosey.
oh yes, and kanina pa nga natin hinahanap yan. Ito yung nakakatakot yung crucial part.
Shout again!
With the
Laura Shout has come alive para sa Cool Strizak. See, quick attack para kay Panaga. Soriano will get the kill block for the Cool Smashers.
That's right,
25
blocking,
to 21.
blocking, blocking.
Siya talaga yung binanggit natin kanina, Mosey, na kailangan mag-step up para sa Cool Smashers because for the first time, Cabanos to Galanza
well read
and
by Pablo.
blockers were there.
4.
Going. Regalo para kay Kaquin.
On the regalo.
And now,
7 to 8.
making sure she got that one.
Here's Kutika. Kutika gets the point para dito sa Cool Smashers.
Kanina pa niya ina-attempt to go Kala nyo lang yun.
Regalo para kay Michelle Strizak.
On the regalo. 11
Strizak once again, and kung ako ang Cool Smashers, ayaw.
Lady Warriors C to Pablo. Kutika was there. Valdez na naman, and she breaks down the wall.
That's right. Nepomuceno.
17
There
to
was
12.
distance between her and buwis buhay.
Alam nila ang importansya ng laban na to as Strizak
Strizak
gets the point.
Strizak now in
16
front
to 21.
again.
Strizak. Dow pops it up. Cabanos binigay dito kay Valdez. Back row attack for the Phenom.
And easily taking
22
that
to 17.
point. Ang ganda ng angulo na pinuntahan ni Eliza. Look at her. Yun naman yung pag-back row attacker ka. Something na kailangan na, ano ba yun, that you have to do.
18 to
Yung
22.
innate na sa'yo.
And if the Lady Warriors are unable to stop the momentum of the Cool Smashers, it looks like we will go to another fifth set.
Oh, and
Eto na nga.
Galanza on that cross-court hit
Now a
easily.
second
Again, alam mong ginagawa ng Cool.
Regalo para kay Gemma Galanza. And we will go to another fifth set dito sa Premier Volleyball League Reinforced Conference. Panoorin natin muli. Number 1 team in the league pagdating sa serving.
Ito magiging importante na yan, ano, yung mga
Nepomuceno right in between Shout and Kutika. Here's Dow who breaks down the wall.
credit have that point to that dig of Eliza Valdez.
Match for the Cool Smashers and Lady Warriors in the quarterfinals. But for the Lady Warriors, winning 2 sets and down the next 2, this could be a realization of what Myla Pablo was telling me a while ago, that their path to defending their crown.
Ano, ang hirap kasi lagi ako umiiyak. Touch na touch ako lagi sa sinasabi.
Valdez, corner pocket. Net touch.
Parang kailangan lagi may
Sweat.
tissue.
4.
Shout. See, quick attack para kay Dadang.
Dadang with a
And
big push.
Dadang getting
10 to
that
6.
point.
Cabanos, binigay dito kay Galanza. Tuloy pa rin ang rally. Gohing. Strizak. Oh, that's in! Michelle Strizak gets the point
12
para sa kanyang
to 8.
koponan.
That's right, getting that corner.
Timeout.
Getting the spot.
Gohing. See. Back set para kay Strizak. And Michelle Strizak
13
is saving
to
the
10.
day para sa kanyang koponan.
That's right, pero now
Recovery by Strizak. Cabanos. Shout na naman!
Shout
And this
to
time,
the
Laura Shout gets the
11
point.
to 13.
and ang maganda ron, yung pangalawa, I think
See. To Pablo. Naunahan ng mga blockers.
Bakari Sweat.
Match point
Match
para sa
point.
Lady Warriors.
that's right, and it was a bomb coming from Pablo.
Phil gets that one in. Valdez fading back. And that's it.
No one
The
there
Lady
for the
Warriors
follow-up. Bakari Sweat
have beaten
takes
the
set
Cool
and
Smashers.
15
Pero
to
inabot
11.
pa rin tayo, partner, ng fifth set.
Ayan po ang final set scoring sa isa na namang makapigil hiningang laban sa pagitan ng Cool Smashers at ng Lady Warriors dito sa Premier Volleyball League. nagtagumpay ang Lady Warriors in a thrilling 5-set match.